So here's the problem. I'm working on a photo book and I'm thinking about a layout that might not exist. For example, I want to put 6 pictures on the page, all landscape. I look for multiple photos. I can only find these layouts. Here there are 6, but I want to have them evenly spread like these, but then in landscape mode. And I want to have them up to the edge of the page. This is currently not possible. I can fiddle around with this kind of stuff, but it doesn't really give me what I want because I'm still limited to the frame that is already there. So how to solve this? So this is why I created the online tool Page to Lightroom. It allows you to convert a layout template created in PagePlus into a format that Lightroom understands. PagePlus is an easy-to-use desktop publishing package from Serif. It's available in 2 versions, an inexpensive full version called X9 and a starter edition that you can download for free. I'll show you how to install the starter edition and use it to create your own page layout templates. So I'll show you how to install Serif PagePlus starter edition. First download it from one of the links I provided and then open the installer. Enter your name. The product key is already given for the starter edition. Select your preferred page size, doesn't really matter. And you can select your preferred dictionary language. I'm not going to use text, so also this one doesn't really matter. That's it. Now that you've installed PagePlus, you can start it. Starter edition. The first time that you start it, you need to register it. So it will ask you to come up with a registration key that you can get by following the instructions in your browser. So I'll enter my email address and get that sent to me. So after registration, I got sent a registration code that I can enter now. Installation is finished now. Now you're ready to use PagePlus to create your own page template. First go back to Lightroom. Check the book size that you used. In this case, it's a small square. Go to my website and scroll down to the templates list. Download the corresponding template. I'll just save it to the desktop for easy access. Go back to PagePlus, open it. You'll get this warning. If you're using the paid version of PagePlus, you won't get this warning, as that was the version in which the template was created. But you can just ignore it. And now you're ready to start. The first thing you want to do is save this document under a new name, so you can keep the template. We want to create a page containing 6 picture frames in total. So I'll call this 3x2 pictures. And since this page is about 7 inches in width, my frames should be around 2 inches wide. So we'll start with picture frames. You'll find them here. And then you need to have the second button, rectangular picture frame. I'll just start with any size. And here at the bottom you can see the exact size. I'll break this so I can enter, say, 2x1 and 1.4 inch. This is a nice size that I can use to copy. So this will actually be translated into a frame in Lightroom in which you can put a picture. To copy this, you hold down the Control key and then you drag the picture frame. So now you see you can easily copy this. I want to align this at the top, so I drag down from the ruler. I see the red ruler coming. So you want to start here, and then we align the pictures with that ruler. Okay, so this one should be exactly in the middle. I'll do that by selecting all three and going here to this Align Objects menu. I want to align horizontally, spaced evenly across. So now it's exactly in the middle. And now I can copy all three of them again by holding down Control and dragging the whole block. And I got the second block of 3 picture frames. Now the first template is finished. I will also show you how you can create a page containing both pictures and text. So I'll do that in the same file. I'll go here to the Page menu and add a new page. Now it's empty. Again, we'll create a picture frame. You don't need to select the flyout, it's already selected, so you can just click that button, enter it here. So the aspect ratio is not correct now, so I'll manually enter the numbers again. The aspect ratio is not locked, so I can just enter 3:2, for example. It's the correct aspect ratio for my pictures. Put it in the corner, and I hold down Shift, and this keeps actually the aspect ratio intact until it hits the other side. And now it has the exact right size and the right aspect ratio. Now we want to add a text frame. This button here, text frame, flyout, or you can actually just select the first button, standard text frame, and just click and drag as usual, as you would expect. And you don't need to enter any text here. This is enough. Now you can save the file. Now you're ready to convert this file into a format that Lightroom can understand. Minimize this window, go back to my website, and select that file that you just created, 3:2 pictures. Convert. It will download a zip file and unpack this file into its own folder. Put this away. Now copy this location that you see here. Ctrl+C, open the second Explorer window, and in the address bar paste that location. At this point it may be convenient to add this also to your quick access. We just created a layout for a 7x7 inch book, so you need to open this 7x7 blurb folder. Go back to that second window where you extracted those files, open that folder, and copy this file in that folder in here. Make sure this is ticked and click Continue. Now you're done. At this point you need to restart Lightroom so it will read the newly added files. Close it, start it again. And now if you go to this page, open the menu, you'll actually see a new My Custom Layouts entry with the 2 layouts that you just created. So you have the 3:2. Let's take this page. You also have the one with the text. You can see you can actually enter some text here. and these are suitable to drop your picture frames. So that's how it works. If you want to update the existing layout, just go back to PagePlus, save the file again, convert it again and import it in Lightroom as you've seen before. Just make sure that you restart Lightroom in between sessions. Also note that at this moment it's not possible to create a spread yet. I hope to implement this in the near future. Another thing that you'll notice is that the margins of the page do not align with the frames that we created in PagePlus. This is also a matter of time. Feel free to adapt it to your own needs. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find the tool useful.